More blockbuster testimony in the fraud trial of Sam Bankman-Fried, this time from FTX's former director of engineering. Alexis Keenan is back from the courthouse with the very latest. Alexis.
Hey there. Yes, so pretty explosive testimony today, and it came from, as you said, the head engineer for FTX and a former high school classmate of Bankman-Fried's, Nishad Singh. Now, he's one of three top executives at FTX that have already pleaded guilty to multiple criminal charges and have agreed to cooperate with the prosecution's case. Now, Singh described Sam Bankman-Fried as, quote, the architect of the computer systems that allowed its hedge fund, sister hedge fund, Alameda Research, access to FTX funds, though he did say that FTX was not coded by Sam Bankman-Fried, that the computer coding, that was done by others. Now, he said that he really had the same experience as what we heard from some of the other insider witnesses. He corroborated their story, saying that it was as of June 2022 that it was that time that he knew that Alameda was using customer funds in order to go ahead and perform its trading, pay his expenses, and other things that Alameda had under its roof. He said that Alameda at that time was owing FTX $13 billion. And he said he asked Bankman-Fried about how much money it had at that time to pay customers back, to pay into that fund for FTX. And at that time, he said that Bankman-Fried said that there was just $5 billion against that $13 billion in deliverables or liquid assets in order to put money back into those accounts. Now, his big revelation was that after all of this, he said he called for two separate private conversations with Bankman-Fried. And one of those took place on the balcony at this $35 million luxury condominium that he shared as a place to live with Bankman-Fried and some of the other executives. And he said at that time, he asked Bankman-Fried, quote, what the hell the plan was for this company to make good to its customers. And he said at that time, Bankman-Fried said he was going to try to go and raise money, which he did. He flew to the Middle East. He tried to raise money from the Saudi prince, Mohammed bin Salman. That didn't work out so well, as we've come to learn. But he also said that all while knowing this, that FTX, through Alameda, continued to make political donations to various candidates and causes, and also to continue to make investments that included to Anthony Scaramucci's Skybridge Capital, among others. But the point here that the prosecution was trying to make is that all while this was going on, that customers were owed money, that they continued to make these excessive, is what he called them, expenditures.
This trial just continues to be fascinating. Thanks so much for giving us this update, Alexis.